Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. If this job lead is not for you, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, along with any education or experience and background that you have. I am always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But we'll keep today's video very short. Today's job lead is from the company WEX. Now, they are a leading financial technology service provider across a wide range of spectrums, including fleet travel and healthcare. They are looking for a customer service specialist that is responsible to answer all customer questions on offered benefits with accuracy and high quality customer service. This is for my United States viewers only. The customer service rep will answer questions, solve problems, and educate customers on provided services via inbound phone calls and customer email inquiries. You'll handle all inquiries professionally. You'll answer and return answers in a timely manner. You'll have to clearly communicate the answers and solutions to the customers. You will also have to respond to email inquiries with accuracy and great grammar and spelling. You'll have to do some research and investigate to use reference material to help find the answers for the customers, and you'll have to meet or exceed customer service standards and goals. You will also have to attend departmental trainings to continue to learn and expand your knowledge. Now, they only require very little experience to get started. They say telephone inquiry experience or the ability to handle a constant flow of incoming calls. Customer service experience and benefit experience typically acquired in 6 months to 2 years. So they only require 6 months of customer service experience. So very little experience. Computer proficiency required. So you need to know how to work a computer. Of course, great customer service skills. If you are bilingual Spanish English, that is a plus, but is not required. Now, the pay range for this position starts at $15.50 an hour and goes up to $18 an hour. The more experience and skills you bring to the table, the higher up to that $18 range you should be able to get. Now, unfortunately, this job posting did not list any kind of benefits or benefit package. You will have to ask them what kind of benefits are offered when you have your interview. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for these companies, so I just simply share what I find online. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.